My name is Chris Bowman, and you are watching a Co-op Minute. Whether you plant fruits, vegetables, or beautiful flowers, it won't be long before your home is overflowing with garden goodies. So what now? Here are 3 ways to take full advantage of your harvest. Number 1, canning, pickling, and dehydrating are effective ways to preserve your bountiful harvest. Beets, green beans, and obviously cucumbers are delicious when pickled. This is also a great time to make canned jams and chutneys, which are great additions to your winter pantry. Don't be intimidated by canning at home. Co-op is proud to carry Ball Canning Supplies, who have home canning guides, tutorials, and videos that offer tips and tricks for beginners and pros alike. Number 2, you can also take advantage of cooking those goodies now. Lodge cast iron skillets, Dutch ovens, carbon steel pans, and bakeware are great tools to make delicious garden treats. Break out your cookware and serve up the sweets and savories to your garden helpers. Number 3, when it comes to flowers from your garden, help them last by removing the flowers from the vase every 2 or 3 days, rinsing the vase out and refilling, and placing your arrangement in a shaded, cool area that receives indirect sunlight, which helps preserve the blooms as opposed to bright, direct sunlight and heat. Your local co-op has all the supplies to help you get your garden growing and for you to enjoy your harvest. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for more tips.